Okay, this is the Vito project. It is in Gulf Cove, down off of Jalot. Similar house line design to Bill Evans in Riverwood. What we're gonna do is complete removal of the existing enclosure. Right now it's a half mantra design. It has a riser pan acting as a gutter on this high part, and then it has either a 5 or a 4-inch gutter down sloping, coming over here all the way through this area. What we've got is 48 feet of deck, 24 feet deep. We're building a complete clear view cage. So transom panels just like at Evans, from 10 feet to 12 feet, 4x4 post, 4x4 post back at the side of the door jamb there, another door jamb post, and that's the only framing on that sidewall. From the corner, we're coming over approximately 40 feet. If it ends up being 39 or 38, what we want to do is we want to put that post so that it's at the best visual spot, so that they have the least obstructions in their view from both this area as well as this area. I'm suggesting basically trying to put it right in line with the edge of the house here, and that'll give us probably about 38 feet, I believe. As far as the actual deck itself, where the 2x3 posts are sitting, because it's been cool decked up to it, we're going to go in just like in Riverwood. We're going to put in just little 1-inch by 2-inch flat bar, just to enclose that area. Dog, it barks a lot but is very friendly. We will be putting in a diverter in that corner and that corner only. Customer does not want any diverter. Obviously all riser walls are to be built screened to the outside. Do not build it like this. Build it with vertical posts, structural 2x5s, 2x6s, whatever the engineering ends up being, going up, screen it into the gutter, make sure that the screen is on the outside. That way any debris that comes down hits the screen wall and works its way right back into the gutter. Overall height is going to be 12 foot. We're going to have riser walls coming up off of this. This is at 8 foot. There will be a gutter coming down the rake. Do not just say, oh, it wasn't required. There is a gutter going down the rake. This project is probably also going to have garage sliders and a front entryway. I have included rescreening the existing front entryway in the signed contract, but if they choose to actually tear it out and rebuild it, we're going to do that more or less at cost. They're looking at a couple options as far as possibly doing double doors and maybe a little bit of extra work. This is going to be a really, really good project to document as far as the transition. I'll take photos now. I also want installers taking pictures throughout the entire project. I want installers taking pictures before it's torn down, as it's being torn down, as it's being built, and a good set of pictures showing the best angles upon the finished project. You can see that's the Myakka River right there. So this transformation is really going to open up their view on this project.